We got the turkey in the oven. Y'all wish me, oh gosh, awesome. The turkey is in there. Thank you, Lord. Amen. Right. Next thing. Next thing's next. Okay, I got this cranberry relish in here, but I don't think that bowl's going to be big enough. So, next thing to do, I know exactly what I'm going to do now. I'm going to finally take this damn thing out of here. Fire's in this motherfucker. I'm going to dump it out. I'm going to wash this out good. I'm doing is my cranberry relish. My orange, got some more shit to do. They have you open from the bottom, you know what I mean? Open from the bottom. I'm going to try to make enough of this stuff. Because, you know, some of us around here have been having colds and shit, waking up sick, you know. A special spoon. Yeah, I got the berries already in the can. I didn't get the fresh ones. Grandma always got the fresh ones. Yeah, this is easier for me. I like it this way better. These are berries. There's supposed to be some berries in here. Shit. mandarin oranges. I'm gonna put that goes in my basting stuff too. The juice that comes out of this, yeah. Basting's gonna go in there. Now I gotta find something to put the damn salad in. Now my dressing is going in something else. I got something from the dressing. I'll show you. This is plain to get. Swirl in here. Okay, here we go. I'm going to put my dressing in here. I'm doing so many different things at once. Okay, now, what I'm going to do now is because I'm going to put my pineapples in here. Best way to do that is get me a spoon that's got it drained. Well, the pineapple and orange is going to go together. It'll be part of my little basting recipe. Basting turkey. If I had a ham, I'd been putting pineapples on the ham. I'm doing something different with these cranberries this year. Now I'll show you what I'm going to take these mandarin oranges here. Now you see I'm taking the lid that was on here, and I'm going to drain the orange juice right into the pineapple. It gives the turkey its special flavor that I usually make. So I'll put the oranges in here. Tell you this shit, my cranberry relish has a lot. Actually has some remedies, when you got a cold or you're sick. This is the best natural remedy I can do. Because let me get the apples. I hope I got an apple in here I can use. Pray I do. I always put apples in. I got this one big apple, so let's try to use that. But it'll be one thing at a time. I got this apple here. Now I'm getting ready to chop it up, put it in there. Guys, I've never seen nothing like this in your life, have you? But I'm going to tell you something about this. I'm going to tell you something about this cranberry relish, You be making this once I get done telling you. The time I get done telling you about this, you guys will be cooking this all through the season, all through the winter time and stuff. Because not only does it get rid of it, but it keeps you from getting it too. Because it's got remedies. I put every kind of cold flu fighting remedy in this stuff. Okay. Now, let me bring y'all over here. Let me bring this over here and let's show you the real depth of what I'm doing. I'm gonna try to find a good spot for this phone. But here's what I got so far. I'm gonna let y'all watch me stir it. Hold on. I'm gonna let y'all watch me stir this stuff. It's got cranberry. My cranberries, they got a cranberry relish, has pineapple, apples, and oranges. And I'm going to tell you, this is the best shit if you are sick. I'm going to tell you why. Okay? For one, cranberries have antioxidants, you know. They have antioxidants, and we know what apples have when it comes to people being sick. And the oranges and the pineapples have vitamin C. So you got every type of, you know, stuff that kills colds that you eat, stuff that you eat that gets rid of colds and keep you from getting, you know, sick. And when you get sick, this shit makes you, oh, this shit will get rid of it. It will get rid of it. Because one time I did have a bad cold. It was one Thanksgiving. I had a bad-ass fucking cold. And let me tell you what this shit did when I ate it. It got rid of it. I didn't have to take no cold pills, no nothing. That I can tell you. I mean, it's true. It's going in here now where it can get cold. So, next thing to do is my salad now. I get to do my 7-layer salad. Let me clean this up. I'm about got it. You know what I'm saying? About got it. Yeah, I think I've about saved my Thanksgiving. You know, I didn't think I was gonna have Thanksgiving this year. I woke up, didn't feel like shit. You know, one day you just wake up and say, God, we're not gonna do nothing. I don't feel it. You know, I got all this shit and I wasn't gonna. So I said, hell, fuck that. I got all this. I got this food. I'm gonna cook it. I'm not giving up. No, this is what I plan to do. And I said, you know, if it was late that I got this damn turkey in the oven, you know, as Turk said, fuck out, turn out. Yep, fuck out, turn out, right? Okay, this dressing is going in this pan here. Don't have the vegetables in it, so this is what my son will probably going to put some extra. I might have to put some extra butter in here. My butter keeps it moist. Leaving this part of the dressing. Pumpkin pie and shit. I'll cook that once I get the turkey out of it, because that turkey's got to get first, you know. And then I'm going to cook that. It'll be nice and cold. We'll be eating all day, you know. That's how we do it. I want these those damn turkey. This damn dressing. Thoroughly some for my son. He ain't gonna be mad if I don't leave many. My vegetable soup's up there. Out of places to put my food. Now I just have to make my my 7-layer salad. Here it goes. I was not. Okay, here we go. Now we got a 7-layer salad. Here we go with this now. I only needed 1 bag of lettuce. I got 2 bags. Guess I never knew how. You know what? I think I got an extra one just in case I needed. You know what? This 7-layer salad goes quick, honey. There's never leftovers in this motherfucker. Alright, now, next thing goes is the tomatoes. They usually don't put tomatoes, I know, but I do. I like tomatoes in mine, so mine's not really a 7-layer salad, it's an 8-layer salad. Okay, usually put this on here and the peppers, right? Start to forget what you put on here. I can't be forgetting shit. I know they put celery on here next. Then they put the mayonnaise mix and the cheese, all cheese and the bacon. And I like regular bacon on mine. Let me get my pan out so I can make the bacon. Why is there smoke coming out of this oven? I hope my damn Thanksgiving don't get run in my oven. Look, my oven's smoking. Okay, I gotta turn it down. Shit. I guess I gotta keep it on 300. See, now it's not smoking anymore. Now I turned it down. It's stinking up. I swear we don't have. It's not worth a shit in this apartment. House catches fire. See, quit. See, I can't turn that damn oven up to over 300. It's gonna take all. I mean, you know how long this is gonna take my turkey to get done. Ain't gonna be having food till about 10 o'clock tonight. I'll tell you what. I gotta get up and go to work tomorrow. Shit. Fuck how it turns out, you know. Fuck. Fuck. Now, chop it up. Did I throw it away? Some parts I shouldn't have thrown away. No, I put it in there. Never mind. There's some parts on there. Yeah, I had the top parts of these, and where the hell did they go? I threw them out. Okay, never mind. I threw them out. Fuck! Damn place. I don't want to fucking catch my house on fire for cooking Thanksgiving. That'd be a fucked up Thanksgiving. Can't eat your Thanksgiving. Fuck. Alright. That cart needs to be cleaned out. I'll put some stuff in here. Here's my bacon. Do. Definitely gotta cook my bacon. Where's my pan? My dead cooking. Here we go. I'm going to cut that bacon up too. I'll make sure there's plenty of bacon on there. Here's my bacon. So this bacon, I'm putting regular bacon on here. I do not want. I don't want bacon bits or little bacon chibbles. I want the real shit. You know what I'm saying? I gotta have the real bacon. Got some ham pieces up there. I swear, if I don't use them, I think I got some northern beans. I'm gonna make some northern beans this week. That some cornbread if I get some cornmeal. Yeah. And this for breakfast. Oh man. Oh, okay. I forgot I had this. Come on. But you know what? I'm gonna need it to pour into the pour onto my turkey. Definitely buttered again. Jerome Hickman Jr. He went home. He ain't having Thanksgiving at his house. No nothing. Bad Jerome. He's home with no Thanksgiving. The only one he did was he went to Hotel Louisville. Poor little Jerome. He should have came over here and ate, but he didn't want to. What about your family? I thought you was getting together with your family, Jerome. What happened to your family? Nah, they said he had to dress up to come to their house. Crazy Jerome. They're all getting mad at him right now because he don't want to dress up. Poor little Jerome. What's wrong? You better be taking a bath. How can you didn't take one when you got up? Yeah, because you take too long. You use that damn bucket. Jerome's taking a bath. Wow. You know what would be funny, Jerome, is if you do a live video of yourself taking a bath in the pool. You know, in that kiddie pool that you got. And you claim to people, I use this pool to take my bath because I have a bathroom problem. Jerome and his bathroom problem. He don't know what to do with it. Little baby Jerome. I'm getting it down, I'm telling you. I'm catching up. I'm catching it. What's going on? Hold on, Jerome. You need to be over here, Jerome, eating. No, you're home and your mental illness is probably acting up right now. Watch Jerome, he's gonna go get some alcohol. I wish I didn't have to work tomorrow because I want alcohol. Alcohol. I'm afraid if I drink alcohol tonight, I'm not gonna get up tomorrow. Work. Isn't that a bitch? I want freaking alcohol on my Thanksgiving. What would be lovely? Yeah, do a video. Do a live video of yourself taking a bath in that pool, Jerome. People don't have to see you naked, but just let them see where you're in the water and you're taking a bath. It would look really funny, I think. Now do it. There's my pepper. Got these. Now these are going in because I got these used up. I think, I got some of these vegetables when I don't use them. I got a place for them probably. I gotta clean that bottom out. Whenever I get a chance. First of all, I gotta wipe this down. That and there is my bacon. This takes a minute to make. This is probably one of the things I have to really cut and make stuff. Everybody clap your hands. You got that green? Are you on live watching me, Jerome? Look at the little green camcorder over where the like button and the heart is and all that stuff. And press that green camcorder. That's if you got one. There we go. Okay. There. That done. Okay. I'm going to show y'all what I've done so far on this salad. I'd be so tired of cooking, I swear. I wish I had money to go out to eat or something. I hate having no fucking money. Okay, now I want to make the mayonnaise thing to go on my salads. And I've got the big part coming. Looks like I had some mayonnaise already. Where I got the mayonnaise I had just got today. I don't know where I put it. You know what? This thing can't stand up no more. I'm going to put it in like this. What it is now, you know what? I'll eat it for sandwich. Now I'm going to take this mayonnaise and put in this little pan here, I guess. And yeah, I don't know if that's going to be good. Now, I'd rather put it in one of these big red bowls I got. I think that's the best way to go. To be honest with you. But let me show you what I've done so far on this salad. Yep, see what I've done so far? Now I gotta put the mayonnaise and the cheese and the bacon is in there. So I'm gonna leave this right here so y'all can see me a little better. Okay. Now you can see me. Now I'm going to put the mayonnaise don't want to put too much of this. One time I did and I regretted it. Oh, my peas. Oh, fuck. I knew I forgot something. Oh, shit. Oh, man. What is wrong with me? I'm glad I remembered my ingredient. I'm sure glad I think I remember it. Thank you, Jesus, for helping me remember my peas. Kept trying to figure out what went there. It was 5. It was 4. That's something I added that's normally not added. Oh my God. What is it? Oh. Well, I wonder how, peas is what there should be the most of. Okay, I got this. I got the peas in there now. This is gonna be a. Let's see. I got lettuce, tomato, celery, pepper, onion, peas. That's 6. And then when I put 7, 8, it'd be a 9-layer salad. I put something extra that normally don't go in there, but that's all right. It's gonna be a filling salad. Let me put this in here now, and the salad. Is there sugar in here, or they used it up? I'd be mad if they used it. Oh, please. Sugar, thank you. Thank you. There's sugar up here. I was afraid there wouldn't be none. I would have to get more. Okay, I usually don't put a lot, I put some. But that's what's supposed to go in here. There we go. Supposed to give it that flavor, you know what I'm saying? Get the sugar and the mayonnaise. Now I'm going to put it in the top. I'm going to be so tired of cooking. I don't want to cook tomorrow. I want a nice, good burger when I get off of work. I'm going to go to Wendy's. I don't know. Guess I can wait till I get fucking paid. I hate this shit. Got 8 days. 8 days to be broke. usually have a spatula to spread this around with. Let me find a spatula. We don't have. Oh, man, I used to have spatulas. I don't find them. There's my potato peeler. I was looking for that. Well, I really don't want to put too much of this mayonnaise stuff on here. It's not, it don't really taste. One year I did that. I put too much on and it didn't taste good. Now, the cheese. I think I got enough on there. I don't need no more mayonnaise. I don't know. With all the stuff that's in here, I think I need some more. I won't put too much, just a little tiny bit. Okay. I hate that I'm here. Sometimes I like that I'm here by myself and I don't, you know. I'm in here with nobody to talk to when I'm cooking my food, which I always like to do. No, I don't know what it is, you know, I'll tell you, not having a family. You know, I usually, even if I go, I usually cook something, you know. I'm always helping Mom cook something. It ain't the same. It ain't the same. Cheese. I messed the Ziploc thing up on this, but you know what? It doesn't matter. Shit, I'm gonna tell you what, I'm gonna use all this cheese up. Cause I like extra cheese on this shit. Oh God, you gotta see what I'm doing. Happy Thanksgiving, living later. What's little Obi doing today? How's the little Christiana and the living later? We all miss you up here. We want to come. If we ever get the money, we're coming up here to Seattle to see you. And I was just watching something about the homeless people up in Alaska, and I thought of who was that? Kevin, your uncle? Yeah, he did a live video where he over summer over at that Bean Cafe where they got up there. I'm sitting there seeing these people sit up in tents, and I'm like, man, if I was homeless, I wouldn't be in Alaska. Had to sleep outside, I would not be in Alaska. But you know what though? I want this show, when I get my show going and shit, start to travel and doing everything. One season I want to do is, I do want to do a season in Anchorage, Alaska. Just for the hell of it. And you know when I actually want to do it? Not in the summer. I'm going to do it in the wintertime. I'm going to do it when we don't have a few hours of daylight time just for the experience. I'm going to do it right around Christmas. Christmas, that'd be awesome, wouldn't it? Spend Christmas up there. You guaranteed to have snow. But one year they didn't, though. There was 1 year, it was actually, I need one more minute, I think. One more minute, and I'll tell you this shit. Look at it. Here is my 7-layer salad. Oh, don't that look good? That's usually the best hit, you know. I tell you, if anything goes fast, it's that shit. And I have had to make to help. I have run out, and I have had to make more. Yes, I've done it. I think that's happened more than 1 year. That happened. Mm-hmm. Oh, I know my son's having a good time over there. I'm going to call Biscuit because he does need to get his ass in here. I don't want him outside. Sorry, Ed. He's having problems right now. Christiana knows him. I mean, he's not, I don't know, his dad won't let him stay with him or nothing. Or he's got nowhere to stay. He's homeless, so, but he's been staying in my house, and I'm trying to help him get a place here. He don't get Section 8 or nothing. You know what I'm saying? This can't be happening. I don't like these SSI people just trying to pay regular bills. They don't make enough to even survive out here. Now I got my bacon, and I'm going to tell you I've got real bacon. Real bacon. Not the shit that comes out of a bag already cooked. I want the shit if it's not in the pan, it's in the microwave. I want that greasy bacon on mine. Look at that. Good and greasy. I can't wait to see, once I get this stuff in the oven, stuff in the freezer, refrigerator to cook, I need to cook me something to eat. I'll tell you, I'm hungry now. I need to cook this soup in here. Now, okay, now I'm going to freaking cut these things up. This is hot. Now I'm deciding where to put this. Trying to see where I'm going to put this towel now. It's kind of up here. Right where you can see me. Find me, but it might fall. Try this. Here for just a second. Now what I'm doing. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and X out of this for a minute.